Hello everybody, thanks for tuning back into us, Lions Family Farms. I'm trying to jump in the hay barn here and run up the road to my other pap's house and knock down an acre of hay. So Dave told me, and I feel it now, the air conditioner is not working. It's actually worse than whenever I charged it. So we got a problem that I don't think I can fix. So I'm probably gonna have to call someone about that, as it's gonna get miserable quick. Dave's got a lot of hay to bale. Hay binds away till the next cutting. I'm gonna go ted the stuff that Dave mowed this morning. It's sunny and breezy. He started mowing at 4 this morning. So we get our tedder out today. Be in good shape for next week. So as you can see, it's letting this little bit here, and that's unacceptable, especially in alfalfa. So I'm gonna crank her down. I want to pick all of it up. Still got some room to the ground, so let's crank her down. Working at this, pretty breezy out and it's nice and sunny, so I mean, it's working out good. I think it'll be good. Hopefully bale this on Monday. Tedding is a pretty chill job. I mean, I just got to keep the center between 2 rows, look back like this every now and again, look at my little mirror over there, just chill out. Just get to the end of the field, turn around. And these long fields is awesome. When you get into the shorter ones, it ain't as great, but I don't know how long this is. Maybe a quarter mile, a little long, yeah, around probably a quarter mile. So it's pretty sweet. My main goal is to get these rows spread out as evenly as possible. You don't want to spread a row out and make it look like a row coming out the back. It's just a fluffy one. So as you can tell, I did all that. It looks like one big layer of hay. And these are the 2 rows I'm finishing up. So that's what it should look like. If it doesn't look like that, it looks like 2 rows coming out the back. Something isn't set right, or you're not in the right spot, because you gotta place your stars so that it's gonna rip the middle of the windrow, suck it in and throw it out the back in a big wide pattern. I got off there showing that. Uh-oh, luckily I'm going back down through. shedding I'm gonna do tonight. Almost 5:30, so I gotta get back from calves. Out here looking at this stuff. It's good stuff. Heck, it's almost too dry if you wanted to chop it. Luckily, we don't want to chop it. It's only been made for 12 hours. So, it'll be definitely ready by Monday. Today's Friday. So, back to the shed. Brand new pen. I'll tell you what, I don't remember if I said our old pen was getting pretty clapped out, but it is. So we got a brand new one. Well, good enough. I'm gonna start raking. Well, today we're baling that hay that I was tedding the other day. Well, it was Friday, and today's Monday. And it's cloudy and humid today, which is unfortunate, but the stuff was ready yesterday. So really all you gotta do is wait for the dew to dry off and it's good to go. So I'm on my second field, 1 o'clock. So we'll get, I think it's all gonna go today. I'm gonna have to check it when I get to a field, when I get to the field, check it and see if I should rake it or if I should wait. But as of now, everything that I've been going to is good, so we're gonna keep grinding. I should have recorded this not when I'm along another field. I don't want to take the soybeans out. I think next year we're going to kill this field off though. We're going to plant a new seeding here in the spring because this field's turning into more grass than alfalfa. And we've chopped most of it and we just want more alfalfa and less grass. So this was turning the other way, so it's got to die. It's got to die, and we'll put corn in probably because alfalfa is what makes the milk. Can't grow your herd average with grass hay. So Dave, he put the pin in for me in this earlier. I wasn't here yet because I was over at a neighboring farm merging for them today, well this morning. But I asked him if he hooked my hydraulic hoses up, and he said no. I said, well, if you're gonna hook them up, they better be right. And he said, well then you can just do it. Because me and him are both pet peeves on our hydraulic hoses. Like on the baler, he's gotta have them a certain way, which I don't blame him. On the rake, I gotta have them a certain way too. So any other farms like that, if you are, let me know, because that's just how me and Dave are. Sticklers over the hydraulics. You gotta be correct. Here comes a cameraman. to get out here and check, make sure this stuff's going to get ready. Well, at least this particular field, because it's pretty heavy. But it actually looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm not worried. This stuff will be good. All the leaves are staying on pretty good. That's awesome. Well, we're switching gears. Well, I am. Got the wagon hooked up here. Oh man. Alright, pause. Okay, like I said, got the wagon hooked up here. Gonna gather some of these bales tonight. I don't know, I'll work till Dave gets done. So, I mean, there ain't super push yet, but I want to get some manure spread tomorrow, so I need these tractors. So we're gonna pick some bales up. I don't really know where we're gonna put them all just quite yet, so I'll just go with the flow. John Deere did a good thing with all these power shift buttons everywhere. You know, when you're raking, you're up here moving gears, hitting the button. When you're loading bales, down here hitting these buttons. So I'll give them props to that. I like that. So thanks, John Deere. Very well could be the last dry hay we will make this year. I think possibly we could end up wrapping here. I mean, it's end of August right now. It won't be end of August when this video comes out, but it's end of August when this video is being made. Gonna squeeze some back in here, I guess. So, got 12 in from 2 fields. I'm gonna get the skid loader and put them in. I'm not trying to get them all in tonight, but good stuff. Almost caught Dave. It's gonna be the battle between green and red. I got the green, he's got the red. This field's cleared off. I gotta shut this gate so randos don't get the idea of running around driving through the field, because it's happened before. Someone crashed through the fence and just rolled out, fence everywhere, and they decided just to drive through all the hay. These stupid. You gotta throw one, catch the other one, and get sidetracked. Gotta do something while I wait. I caught him hard now. Just waiting on more bales. Ozzy might be mad at me because I told him we were gonna do this tomorrow morning, but I thought, well, I might as well just get a head start. He's got school on Wednesday, first day. So we'll have something to do tomorrow. We'll see what happens. So we're getting done almost here for the night. I'm catching them as they're coming out. And then we're gonna call our night here soon. Dave's got 5 more acres to bale, but I'll probably gather them up tomorrow. Just waiting. It's getting boring. David's finishing the last field up. I'll go by and put some of the bales away tonight, but we'll do the rest tomorrow. It's like 6:30 out or something, so I'm getting hungry. I just got done rocking out 5 finger, some whaling, a little bit of Miley Cyrus. Just kidding about that last one. Me, on the other hand, we had 5 finger death punch, Theory of a Dead Man, and Godsmack. That was it for like 6 hours. Rocking out, baby.
That a lie.
What do you think I was listening to? Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
I wasn't. It was rock. This is a rock life around here. That's gonna wrap this video up. We'll see you in the next one.